Fuck me, dude. Alright, let's try it with this. And we'll do -6 or -4. It might be -4. Yeah, it's -4. Okay, let's try it with this. And we will disengage these 2 tracks. So, volume alert. Dude, what the fuck, brother? Okay, that could be something. That could be fun. That could be fun. We could have fun with this. There's some warp points that are front hair off here. I got some work to do on this. Insert warp marker. Oh, that's good. Okay. That's okay. Where does it lose it? Where does it lose the beat? It loses the beat down here. So we need... Okay, I got fill I gotta do.